Alright, man. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I get number 9 shirts for like $5. First, I have all these bookmarked already. These 4 by bookmarks on Mercari, Rakuma, Auction, Flea Market. Right. Right now, I have them on new arrivals, but we can go ahead and sort it from low to high. This is what you guys would do too if you want to make these for yourself, these bookmarks. Just search up number 9 in Japanese, sort it by price low to high. Go to category, go to fashion, and apply. Category fashion, apply. And once you do that is when you would bookmark them and put them all in a folder. Then I'm just gonna start like opening stuff. That's cool. You guys will be able to see how easy this is and how much money you could make from this as well. So number 9 clutch bag, $2.81. I just thought that was cool. Studious number 9 shirt for $5. Also just thought that was cool. Studious number 9 cardigan for $6. Number 9 pants, yeah, they're for $7. Number 9 skirt for $7. T-shirt for $7. Pocket t-shirt for $7 with a little graphic. Same one. Marlboro number 9 shirt for $9. And then you can just do the same for all of these sites. That's literally from one page of one site. If you want to see how much profit you could get, let's look at number 9 Marlboro. Let's go to sold. Let's find that shirt. Sold for $13. Okay, maybe not the best example with this one. One did sell 10 months ago for $75. Yeah, this obviously isn't the best example, but if we were to keep looking, sure we could find something a bit better. Because those like pocket shirts and other random number 9 items like the cardigan and stuff, I sell them on eBay all the time for like $35 on average, I'd say. And they cost like, as you see, like $5 to $10 each. So I kind of just like print money with those low key. Those are like my filler things in my store. It's just like random number 9 shirts. And while we're here, we can look at Undercover GU. Undercover GU is pretty profitable and cheap as well. I have this sorted by jackets right now. Even if we just get rid of the jacket part. GU Undercover shirt for $2. This is a jacket for $3. Pants for $4. You get the idea. Super cheap undercover stuff. This is a nice jacket. $19. And it's undercover. This jacket for $3. Yeah. Super easy to make money doing this. Yeah, let me just plug myself real quick. I have a list of websites for sale, most profitable websites. in my description. I put all profitable listings I find in my Discord and my Patreon as well, so you don't have to do the searching. Yeah. Bye.